Hello everyone, today I will show you how to update your iOS 18 to 18.1. So at first open iPhone settings, click on to general, go to software update, click on to update now and enter your passcode. Click on to agree. Okay, you need to just waiting. Okay, now start updating. Okay, and then showing it to click on to install now, and then automatically restart process, so you need to just wait. Okay, so look here, software update complete. To continue, to turn on, okay, look here, now successfully update my iOS. So now successfully iOS is up to update. So that's it, that's how you can do it.